Here the topic is Joint Entrance Mains Physics Question Paper 2019. So let's solve this question. Here two coherent sources produce waves of different intensities which interfere. After interference, the ratio of the maximum intensity to the minimum intensity is 16. So ratio of the maximum intensity, this is I max. Maximum intensity is written as I max divided by I minimum. Minimum intensity is equals to 16 divided by 1. So we can write from this intensity, here we all know this intensity is proportional to the amplitude square. We all know this A is the amplitude, this A is the amplitude and I is the intensity. I is the intensity. This amplitude square is proportional to the intensity. So we can write A max divided by A minimum is equals to 4. So A1, the maximum intensity is A1 plus A2. Maximum intensity is written as A1 plus A2 and the minimum intensity is written as A1 minus A2. So this equals to 4 by 1. And using componendo and dividendo, if we using componendo and dividendo we can write this A1 by A2, this A1 divided by A2 is equals to 5 by 3. This is 4 plus 1. This is 4 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 1. This is means 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 1, and for this here A1 plus A2, A1 plus A2 plus A1 minus A2 divided by A1 plus A2 minus of A1 plus A2 is equals to 4 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 1. So this equals to 5 by 3, and here we get 2 A1 divided by 2 A2. So 2 is cancelled out. So A1 by A2 is 5 by 3. So A1 by A2 is 5 by 3. So the intensity I max divided by I min is equals to A1 square divided by A2 square is equals to 5 by 3 whole square. So this equals to 25 by 9. So this equals to 25 by 9. So here the intensity of the waves are in ratio is 25 by 9. This is the correct option for this question. So that's all for today.